In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your interior door handle on this front door of this F-150, but the same procedure will apply to the rest. Let's get started. I like to start at the door handle. You don't have to, but pull the handle out, and then with a pick or a trim tool, remove this plastic cap here. Sometimes it'll be hard to take off, might require a little bit of force. They are clipped in pretty tight here. There we go. Pry this away. This will expose an 8mm bolt. Remove it. Set it aside safely. Inside the grab handle, you'll notice a little cap. Take a pick or a pocket screwdriver, whatever you have that'll get in here. You have to pry this up. There we go. Once you pry it up halfway, you can go to the other side and pry it up the rest of the way. This will expose another 8mm bolt. Remove that as well. Pull it out of there. It's not the same as the other one, so make sure you don't mix them up. At the bottom of the door panel, you have two 6mm screws. There's one right over here. Whoa. Take that out. And then the other one is towards the inside of the door. Take that one out as well. Let's remove the master window switch. Use a trim tool. Pry it up in the back here. Be somewhat gentle. You don't want to break it. And work your way to the front. It should slide up and out. At which point you can flip it over once you have it out of there. And you'll see three main harnesses here. Start with this one at the back. Unplug it. Then this one in the middle. And this last one at the front for the lock switch. And set that aside. Now take the door panel, slide it up, and it should unlock. Don't go too far with it because the mirror switch is still connected. So remove it off of the door. To disconnect the door latch cable, has two tabs, one on each side. I'm using a pick, but you can use anything that'll squeeze them in. And once you squeeze one in, try to pry it through to hold it squeezed in. Pry the other side. This is not going to be super easy, but this is the only way to get this out of here, unfortunately. Perfect. Slide it out. Take the ball end of it out of the door handle. Set it aside. Now the mirror switch that adjusts your mirrors has a tab on the front side of it. Press it and disconnect it. And now you can pull your door panel away. And now with the door off, all you have to do to get this door handle away from here is press in these two tabs, slide it in through the back side, or the front side, from the back side, and there it is. Now take the new door handle, line it up, and it should snap right into place. Now we can put the door panel back. Now bring your door panel in and connect the mirror switch. And for the door handle switch, you'll notice the cable end has a little ball end on it. Connect that to the handle itself. Bring it over like this, and you're going to want to push it through this hole until it latches in. You should not be able to pull this out. And of course, test the operation of the door handle to make sure before you close this up. One last thing before the door panel finally goes on, make sure these wires go through for the window switch. Okay. As we put the door panel in, you want to pay attention to the lock indicator. It needs to go through the little hole, otherwise it'll get jammed in there. Most likely your door panel won't even sit all the way because it'll be blocked by that. So bring this up and press it up against the door. And as it goes down, as you can see right now, it has not gone through the hole yet. I can see it. It's lined up. So I'm going to press the door panel down. And there we go. It was in the locked position, but if you just pull the door handle, it should pop up and through. Now let's put the bottom two screws in. Don't tighten these up too much. They screw into plastic, and they are very coarse thread, so they will strip the plastic out easily. Perfect. Now don't forget about the screw that goes into the grab handle. Tighten that down, and there's a little cap that hides it. Put that back. Put the master window switch back in, connect all 3 connectors, make sure they click. It has one of these clips on each end to lock it in, so just slide it straight down and press it in. Last but not least, put this screw in on the door handle, and then the cap, or the cover, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.